हेलो एंड वेलकम टू योर वेरी फेवरेट शो ब्यूटी पार्लर। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट नैना ब्लैक
और मैं हूँ गुलाली क्या आफरीदी।
आप देख रहे हैं बाईपास टीवी, पाकिस्तान का पहला शॉपिंग चैनल। तो गुलाली, आज हम आपके पास एक और सवाल लेकर आए।
Sure.
वो ये है कि आपको पता है कि यूजुअली हमारी कितनी बिजी रूटीन होती है। हमारे पास एक बचता है वीकेंड। और वीकेंड्स पे हम जाते हैं अपने दोस्तों से, फैमिली से, या अपनी बाकी सारी एक्टिविटीज को हम केटर कर रहे होते हैं। तो उस सब में रहते हुए हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं बचता कि हम सैलून्स पे जाएं और प्रॉपर अपनी स्किन केयर, अपनी हैंड और फीट की जितनी भी हमें मैनी पेडीज हैं वो जाके लें। तो इस कंडीशन में व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि हम ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं कि वो वीकेंड नाइट रूटीन में भी सेट हो जाए, और लाइक अगर हम उसको एवरीडे नहीं भी कर पाते तो हम उसको एटलीस्ट एक वीकेंड नाइट पे एक रिजीम सेट कर लें। तो कौन सी ऐसी प्रोडक्ट्स हो सकती हैं, कौन कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं जो हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं जो हमारी ऑडियंस के साथ बजट फ्रेंडली भी हों और उनकी स्किन को सूट भी करें?
I think weekends should be spent more in resting and healing with our skin and our bodies both.
Oh, yes.
So for that, I believe we should take the rest as much as we can in that time being, especially if you're a working woman or a working man, then use your weekends to rest your body and your skin, your mind, and then heal as well. So for your skin to heal, your body skin to heal, all of that, we need the right products, we need the right procedures on how to use it, and when and what are the right times to use it. So I will help you and guide you guys with that. So let's start the process. Okay. So first on first, what I like to do the most is कि मुझे अपना face से dirt remove करना. I like that. I want to
cleanse your face अच्छे से साफ हो जाए.
कि पहले face से जितना भी dirt है या जो भी dead skin है, first is to remove that and then get into your other steps. So first I have this really cool Swiss Miss removing wipes, which will help me in order to remove and cleanse out all the bacteria that is on her skin. They're very soft and they're very nice. They're not very harsh on skin. They also will, they're soft in a sense कि आपकी skin को एक तो rashes नहीं आएंगे या overpowering नहीं है इसमें जो हमारा wipes हैं. So, and they're also suitable for sensitive skin. A lot of times, wipes don't suit everybody, acne prone skin को नहीं कभी-कभी suit करती है, उनकी skin लाल हो जाती है, या babies को नहीं suit करती, For girls who go to school, they can put this in their bags and, break time में जल्दी से अपने आप को fresh कर लिया by removing all the excess bacteria or the dirt, या वर्किंग लेडीज एंड मेन एज वेल. जब आप बाइक चला रहे हैं तो आपके फेस पे इतनी ऑयल और डर्ट आ जाती है. सो इट्स नाइसर टू फर्स्ट रिमूव दैट. You can get rid of that very easily. Okay, now since
these wipes are by Swiss Miss makeup removing wipes. आपकी स्क्रीन पे इस प्रोडक्ट का QR कोड और ID फ्लैश हो रहा है. आपको बाईपास की ऐप को डाउनलोड करना है. आप QR कोड को स्कैन करके या इस प्रोडक्ट के ID के थ्रू इसको सर्च करके इस प्रोडक्ट को ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. आपको घर पे यही प्रोडक्ट मौसूल होगा. सिटी टू सिटी प्राइसेस वेरी कर सकते हैं, बट एग्जैक्टली यही प्रोडक्ट आपको मिलेगा. और अब बताइए कि हम नेक्स्ट क्या करें.
So I want to start off with a toner so I can also lock in the moisture in her skin and then go into other steps. So this is a really nice toner. It has hyaluronic acid. This is by BioAqua. ये इनका बड़ा अच्छा moisture repairing hyaluronic acid वाला toner है. It will moisturize it so well that all the dryness and all that you need it to soothe will happen for you. So it will soothe your skin. It will also make your skin healthy and smooth. So let's open this. It's going to rebuild the skin's health. You can see what a beautiful bottle it is. It feels very luxurious. It looks very luxurious. It's very heavy. It's
Yeah,
in
it's
a glass
I think it's glass or metallic.
yeah, it's glass.
It's glass.
It's so nice.
I was about to say कि BioAqua की जितनी भी vials और packaging है, I love the color selection they do and the packaging because it feels very bougie. It feels very luxurious.
It does give a very luxurious effect, you know. Very expensive and luxurious effect to it.
And even their products are really, really nice.
Yeah, I'm going to get rid of the
seal and
I'm just going to show you guys कि कितना watery और कितना प्यारा सा एक वो आ रहा है इसका texture. And I'm just going to tap it inside her skin.
Yeah. हम इसके साथ साथ अपने ऑडियंस को बता देते हैं कि ये प्रोडक्ट है BioAqua का. आपकी स्क्रीन्स पे इसका QR कोड और इसका ID फ्लैश हो रहा है. आपको बाईपास की ऐप डाउनलोड करनी है और इस QR कोड को स्कैन करके या इस प्रोडक्ट ID के थ्रू आप इसको सर्च करके ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. आपको एग्जैक्टली ये प्रोडक्ट आपके घर पे मिल जाएगा. एंड इस प्रोडक्ट के बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स हैं. इसको इवन इफ यू आर लाइक होल्डिंग द वायल इट फील्स लाइक you're holding
the bottle
something really
feels
good.
super cool, you know.
Yeah.
It's a very cool bottle, super classy, you know. You can see.
And it's not that big कि आप इसको आप अगर travel भी कर रहे हो तो you can keep it in your bag.
True.
Travel bag and you can just go with it.
The skin feels amazing, you know. It doesn't feel tacky. It doesn't feel anything that is too much. It is
because
the
usually if you
amount.
use toners तो एकदम एक dryness का भी feel आता है.
True
ना?
that.
But इससे नहीं आ रही.
इससे नहीं आ रही. You can see ये थोड़ा सा bounce back भी कर रही है आपकी skin.
It plumps up your skin.
It really is plumping your skin. So this way it's a great product.
So before we go on our next step, I am going to take a short break and we'll be back. वेलकम बैक टू ब्यूटी पार्लर. हम अपनी मॉडल को अच्छे से उसकी स्किन प्लम्ड अप कर चुके हैं. वी हैव क्लींस्ड हर स्किन विद आवर वाइप्स व्हिच आर एक्चुअली very nice because they hydrate your skin as well.
They do.
And then
they
we
cleanse
have
your face,
yes.
hydrated, you know.
And then we use
but the right wipes. Not every wipe does that.
These specific wipes are
really good.
exactly very nice for your skin. Second, we did BioAqua का hyaluronic acid के साथ infused toner, which is going to help you with the pigment and it will lock the moisture in your skin.
Yes.
And you can see how plumped up her skin is looking.
Yeah, we love a good plumpy, healthy skin.
Healthy skin. It is actually showing a very healthy skin.
Yeah, it does.
So what is going to be the next step?
So, you know, one should always have a good night cream. Like,
yes.
if you remember, all our elders have always had a good night cream in their, you know, skincare.
Yes.
ये अभी से नहीं, ये एक अरसे से चली आ रही है. Since centuries, when women have always opted for a nice night cream. And the reason why people and, you know, women have a good night cream is because overnight, it really helps you. उसके effects इतने अच्छे होते हैं that, you know, it helps you with your dark spots, it helps you with anything that you need and you're lacking.
So I'm excited for this night cream and how does it impact the skin of our model as well.
Is by Zaz Beauty. We have this really cool Zaz Beauty night cream and it basically helps in you know, in fading your dark spots. That's the you know, the way it works. It illuminates and refines your skin. Glowing effect भी देगा और complexion को भी help करेगा आपकी to brighten up. So when you're using this at night, not only are you going to restore your, you know, refreshments, but also you're going to fade your dark spots
or pigmentations or, you know,
all of that. Yeah.
आपको scars जो पड़ जाते हैं usually, you know, after some acne or some, all of that can be.
The best part about this cream is that it has vitamin E. Yes. It has vitamin B3, glutathione. It has one of the best ingredients you can find in a cream.
Yes.
तो ग्लूटाथियोन और विटामिन ई उन सबके साथ तो आपकी you know, brightening is a must and it will help you prevent all the dark spots.
Okay, so it's very handy.
It's a very rich
cute.
cream. I'm going to open this up properly. It has a very luxurious formula to it.
Should I?
Yes, please. This will also help you lock in moisture.
And
by the way.
this bottle,
Overnight.
this packaging is really nice.
Yeah. This
You can tell by holding this.
ये जार भले
that
छोटा लग रहा हो,
this-
but इसमें बड़ी
No,
quantity
because
है.
it's the quantity we are going to use is very less because it spreads like.
Yeah. मतलब even a little will go a long way. So that's
so
okay.
it's going to
You
last
can
for a
see.
long time. Yeah.
Smells also amazing. So I'm just going to take. ये मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा लिया.
pea
This
size,
much,
yeah.
literally. Because ये भी जो है will glide so easily and so well. अभी आप देख लें yourself only. You can see
Yeah, I can.
that it's. And we don't
It
even
have a
need
very
a lot.
nice moisturizer
Buttery and very
na?
creamy effect to it, you know. बहुत runny भी नहीं है.
हाँ.
It's the right amount. Greasy भी नहीं करेगा, you know. A lot of times.
And it just absorbed in the skin वो दिख भी नहीं रहा.
That's
At the
too much.
same time, it's thick but it's not that dry कि वो आपको skin को.
Yeah.
you
It's
know,
going to leave the skin very luminous and radiant.
And
you know?
this product is by Zas Beauty and you can see this product. आपकी screens के ऊपर इस product के QR कोड और ID फ्लैश कर रहा है. आपको बाईपास की ऐप डाउनलोड करके QR कोड को स्कैन करके या फिर इस प्रोडक्ट के ID के थ्रू आप इस प्रोडक्ट को सर्च कर सकते हैं, ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. आपको सेम ये चीज़ घर पे मिलेगी. एंड हाँ, prices may vary from city to city, but that's not even a big deal. अगर आपके results अच्छे हैं तो I think
This is also a very good product for people who are looking for an anti-aging cream.
oh yes.
So for anybody who's looking to invest in a good anti-aging cream, this will also help you with that. This is a great product for people who are looking for something which is anti-aging, luminous, and also works for their pigmentation. So this not so little, you know, this jar will help you in so many different ways.
Yeah, it's
that
like all in one jar.
it's an all-in-one jar. Literally, this one cream will save you from so many things and prevent, you know, your skin in so many different ways. And you know, that's the best part. कि you know, ये आपकी lines वगैरह को भी जो है
fine lines
को
and
भी ये
dryness
blur
से कभी-कभी
करेगा.
आपको बिला वजह
Yeah.
wrinkle type वो हालांकि wrinkles नहीं होते हैं, that's basically
Appearance
dryness.
basically of dryness,
But it
hyperpigmentation.
caters everything.
So you're basically covering your dryness, your hyperpigmentation, your pigmentation, your anti-aging की भी इसके अंदर
Yeah,
काफी
your
वो है.
spots and marks.
All of it. So this way, this is for someone who wants to illuminate as well their skin.
Yeah.
So this is a great product that we all can put in our.
And see, it is giving a very subtle but a very glowy effect.
It is. वो एक sheer सा एक
Yeah.
effect आ रहा है glowy सा, which we all die for.
Yes.
You know, like a nice, shiny, moisturized look. And a healthy skin. You know, I'm all about that healthy, plumpy skin that we all
Yeah.
want, you know.
So what is our next step, Gulali?
For now, we've done our toner, we've gotten rid of the
Excessive dirt, the
dirt,
toner,
all
the
of it. हमने एक night cream भी add कर दिया है इसमें for, you know, future, all of that stuff. Now I want to put some moisture on her skin.
Yeah.
Specifically moisture, although all our previous products did have that, you know, illuminating
moisturizing
effect to
effect,
it.
yes.
But now I want I want to add moisture specifically to it. I want to use a moisturizer.
Yeah.
Because this is like a night routine. So
And it's a weekend night routine, like you don't have anything to do the next morning. So you can take your bath, you can have fun. So you can actually, you know, treat your skin well at night and be ready for work for like the next day.
But
And-
I also, you know, I don't want to use a cream. I want something in gel form.
Okay.
So I have this really cool Onizo Cares moisturizer gel, but it's a 24-hour water gel. So अगर आपकी acne prone skin भी है, this will work like a magic because a lot of acne prone skin girls cannot use cream.
Yes, because
वो breakouts हो जाते हैं extra moisture से. So this is a very lightweight moisturizer because like I told you, our previous products also had the illuminating effect. So I don't want to overdo it with the moisture as well. कि सुबह उठी और grease हुआ हुआ है face. No, we don't want that. This in in specific is a water gel moisturizer. So it's very lightweight. It will give you the right amount of moisturizing effect that you need. So that is the right way to go about it. It's a very non-sticky, non-greasy. Can you help me? So let me just show you guys. Iska.
Oh, it's
so
beautiful.
Pretty. Literally, it's so pretty. This is like a 24-hour moisture effect that it will give you. So I'm just going to run
this is really nice. I can sense it on skin. It's really nice.
It's really nice and very creamy, but at the same time it's not creamy. You get my point? Like gel hai, lekin bada light creamy effect of gel hai.
Yeah. Even Dua is enjoying. She's being treated like a princess right now.
Literally. My neck, baby, I want to thoroughly go through her neck, penetrate all of that, massage it to it.
So let me tell my audience as well that this product is by Onizo and Onizo Care की तरफ से आपका ये प्रोडक्ट आपको दिख रही है आपकी स्क्रीन्स के ऊपर. इसका QR कोड फ्लैश कर रहा है, इसका ID फ्लैश कर रहा है. आपको सिर्फ बाईपास की ऐप को डाउनलोड करना है. आप इसी QR कोड को स्कैन करके इस प्रोडक्ट को सर्च कर सकते हैं या फिर इस प्रोडक्ट के ID के थ्रू आप इसको सर्च करके इसको ऑर्डर करें. आपको यही प्रोडक्ट आपके घर पे मिलेगा और इसके रिजल्ट्स आप देख सकते हैं. आई विल आस्क यू कि मुझे ये प्लीज दिखाओ. आई विल अप्लाई दैट एज़ वेल.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's very lightweight.
It seems really nice. I have to see कि इसकी consistency कैसी है.
Very light and very nice.
This is
super lightweight. Smells great also. No extra fragrance.
Really,
nothing. It's
no,
straight,
it's not.
Fresh.
It's
fresh
not.
fragrance to it.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
Even on
you can
skin.
apply it on your hands as well. It's a really
see, I have applied it on one side of my hand only. On
and
which
you can
camera,
see the moisture.
And this side I haven't. So this seems very dry, and this looks so hydrated.
Yeah, it's giving life to it.
And it's
really good.
This is mine. After this is mine.
For sure. It's a really
so
cool
it
product.
is actually, I love the glow on her face as well.
Yeah.
I love the glow on her nose and the cheeks and forehead. Not overly
it's not
greasy,
overly done, none of
but
that stuff.
it's so
just perfect
amount of hydration it have logged in her skin.
Definitely. It's really cool. It's 100% a great product.
Buy this product, guys. Buy this product through our app. एंड जब तक आप इस प्रोडक्ट को ऑर्डर करें तब तक एक छोटी सी ब्रेक से वापस आते हैं. वेलकम बैक टू ब्यूटी पार्लर. हम अभी तक तो बहुत सारी मज़ेदार बहुत अच्छी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ कर चुके हैं. आई वांट टू नो ग्लाली, इसके बाद हम क्या करने वाले हैं?
So we've done everything for the face and we've targeted all the areas of her face, but one thing that we didn't work on was the under eye.
Yes, I was about to ask you.
Dark circles are so important to work on, and for it to be calm and resting. So while they're calm and resting, we should take care of that as well. You know, concealers patchy ho jate hain. There's so much more to it apart from dark circles only.
Yeah, fine lines, dryness.
Exactly.
A lot of
so
other things are happening on our skin. You need to take care of everything.
dark circles nahi hote hain under eyes pe. There's more on it. Puffiness hoti hai, you know. There's so much more. So for that, I've brought you guys a really cool brightening serum. It is by Ophelia, and it is basically a flash brightening serum which I'm going to apply for Dua on her under eye. It will, after you've done the cleansing, the everything, aap phir apna serum apply karoge by the end of it. So Ophelia does claim that, and I mean, if they are claiming it, then it's definitely something.
Yeah, because I have seen their products and I've seen the results.
They work great. They work great. It'll give you will achieve the radiant, luminous skin that you want for your under eye. It will also lighten your complexion in 30 days if used twice daily. Then
You can't just expect कि आपने एक चीज प्रोडक्ट खरीद लिया
वो
है
आपको एक दिन में
और
ही
आप
कुछ
उसको यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं, या
ये
आपने अभी उसको
आपकी
use
जो
करना
है
शुरू किया
ल्यूमिनस इफेक्ट जो है आपकी स्किन को विद इन 7 days ही देता है. And it's going to enhance your natural
tell me one
beauty.
thing, Gulali, is it just for under eye or
No, I think you can use it all over your face because that's
if they are claiming that and
that you will get a
you can
luminous skin in 7
actually,
days,
yes.
then this is for your face, but it targets your under eye for sure. It does target your dark spots, which are definitely dark circles and all of that. और ये illuminate भी कर रहा है, so I'm going to apply it all over the face actually.
Okay.
I will just spread it out like that.
And a good serum is like
A magic, yeah, a lifesaver also.
yeah, I
would
just
say.
love serums, and a good serum is like I can apply it like 10 times a day if I'm not wearing makeup.
100%. Looks very nice.
So this product is by Ophelia, and इस product के भी QR code और ID आपकी screens पे flash हो रहा है. आपको bypass की ऐप को डाउनलोड करके इस QR code को स्कैन करके इस product को सर्च करना है, या फिर इस product के ID के थ्रू आप इसको सर्च करके ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. Prices may vary from city to city, लेकिन आपको exactly यही product आपके घर पे मौसूल होगा. And I love the plump
Yeah, so
skin
cool.
and the glow.
Yeah, it looks super cool.
You people
guys
all can see it's like on-screen results, and if you are going to include all of these products into your regime like every day.
Daily, yeah.
regime
और इसमें तो बोला भी गया है कि आप इसको अगर डेली यूज करते हो तो विद इन 30 days आपकी लुक भी आप अचीव कर सकते हो.
So it's
In 7 days, if you're using it thoroughly every day, you will get the illuminating effect that we all want, the hydrating effect. जैसे दुआ का भी face लग रहा है, very plumped up and very dewy and very pretty. The same way you can get this glow within 7 days of using it every day. So take out your phone, guys, and
download the app,
Bypass
order
app.
these products right now.
If you want a good skin, that's
Only
all it takes. Taking your phone out, downloading our app, and scanning the QR codes and buying it. That's all you do.
Okay, so I love the face.
Yeah, I love
but one more thing which I am concerned about is the dry hands and dry feet. What do you have
like
for that?
I said, weekends are to rest and to heal, not only for your skin, but for your mind, your body, all of it.
Yes.
So for a good, something that is not going to dry you out, or winters are very round the corner as well. They're very close.
Winters are coming.
Yeah, winters are coming. So for that, even for, our other weather, जो बहुत dry,
Autumn
Very dry.
especially.
overnight, we're going to just give you a very banger product that will help you moisturize your hand
nice.
and feet as well. It is by Hiba's collection. This is basically a daily moisturizing lotion which you can put in your vanity, in your skincare, It's gonna give you the perfect glow, the perfect moisturizing effect that we all need. So I'm just going to, you can use this daily, by the way. It's a good daily product that we all need. So I'm just going to pump some out. You can see. Oh, it's really cool. And I'm only using a little bit right now. And aap isko, you can just apply it on your hands. And
I want you to apply it on one hand and leave the other one so that we can show the difference.
Sure.
Into
You can
the
see
camera.
how buttery it feels, It feels super soft. My hand is literally sliding. It's super soft and very nice. You can massage your hands. You can ask someone. You can ask your mom, your sister, your friends.
Even you can do it by
help.
yourself. You don't
Yeah,
need
if
anyone.
if you're lazy, then you can ask someone. But if you can, then just do it yourself. And I think it's easier that way.
So this product is by Hiba's collection. आपकी screens पे इसका भी QR code और product का ID आ रहा होगा. आपको bypass की ऐप को डाउनलोड करके इस QR code को स्कैन करना है या फिर इस प्रोडक्ट आईडी के थ्रू आप इसको सर्च करके ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं.
If you touch this, you can tell it's so drying और हाथ भी फंस रहा है. यहाँ पे so soft and buttery.
Not because we are doing this, but please show this on
I couldn't. I had to like cut you off and tell you this.
I gave the important information. Just show this to the
You can see the QR codes on your screen, guys. Download the app and get it ASAP. Really nice.
Fresh
feels so, and it smells so good.
Sure. I'm going to test all the products now because they are all so good.
Yeah. Very nice.
No extra fragrance.
No extra fragrance.
And yes,
I'll add some to this part of her skin as well. या अपने पैरों पे या
so basically it's a body lotion.
Yeah, basically it's a body lotion. So I love body lotions. Like you know, it works great. So I'm just going to moisture her knuckles as well. You know, if you moisturize them well, ये आपके color discoloration के लिए भी help करता है. So आपकी discoloration भी नहीं होती है. Most of the times आपके हाथों में भी बहुत discoloration आ जाती है. You know, this will help you prevent on that as well.
And we are done for today's goal.
Yeah, I just can't get over
how good all of these. Yes,
true. There you go.
So I am actually so happy that we were able to bring out the right products for our audience and such affordable products that anyone can buy and use them and keep them in their daily skincare regime and continue using them. Because हमारे साथ usually ऐसा होता है कि you know, ऊपर नीचे इन्फ्लेशन की वजह से बहुत सारी सिचुएशंस होती हैं where we actually let go of our own self and we cater the other things. So with these kind of products, like we are trying to bring out the nice products with good results and budget friendly things, so that we can all enjoy a good healthy skin, hair, nails, whatever we want. And आज के लिए हमारी जो results हैं वो आपके बिल्कुल सामने हैं. You can see the freshness, the glow, the luminous look, and Gulali have helped us achieving that. I am so grateful. Thank you so much, Gulali. And we are going to come back to you with some new questions unless आप जो है हमें बिल्कुल से कह दें कि हम नहीं आपके हेल्प कर सकते, but please don't do that.
No, for sure. Anytime.
हम आपके पास आएंगे कुछ नए सवाल आपके जवाब लेने के लिए. Till then, bye bye.
Bye guys.